South Africa gets Kenyan shoe. Jesus Christ. Honey, I'm sorry, I didn't, but Edo Pikin me tell me. Bro, South Africa gets, not for Nigeria, if they get doggy. Now here, South Africa, doggy, you should reach Neko. You know the smart bomb you the head. You don't carry South Africa, get away, get hip. God, they give you doggy. Everywhere kung fu. God bless you. The hotel can't get mirror. You can't turn, you can't see yourself. You can't wash your own blue film. You can't hear yourself. Oh, see you. I want to appreciate my wife. Please, a round of applause for my wife. This is the first time I'm doing this. I feel like crying. I never see a woman like my wife. God will bless you for the entire December. Shit. My wife, oh God. I was not at home. I heard the waka waka. She was there for my children. Please, when I clap for a while, I'm touched. You know, because as she did good to me, that's why I did good to her. On my own, I've been married for 6 years. I'm not cheated on my wife. Oh, now they say, I don't sleep with you. If I don't sleep with you, come out to me. Anybody not Christoka for me, oh. But now my friends be one come scatter my marriage. Oga Tares, not everything where they happen for abroad that they imitate. My wedding anniversary, you know say for abroad, wedding anniversary that they post, come post your wife. Friends for America will say, wow, that's nice, keep it up. This love is forever. Now go post too. My useless friends, they say me to Alpha, this one when they post mama this morning, mama don't catch you. Now the message make her catch me now. But she not get where she dey go. She come from Kogi, their house far. Thank God their governor not dey work, no road. Me, I not dey carry marry you. You dey stay first Ugbo, you go marry for second Ugbo. Any small thing, you try go papa house. Then my wife come cross again about the river Mercy. Me, I marry with sense. Me no say me don't cast for Bini. I go marry for far. My wife not get any cousin for the entire Niger Delta. How they want to catch me? Go far. Now imagine that say me cast for Benin. I can't see marry my wife will get squad. You know say at this show food now. Like two of my wife's ex-boyfriend go there. You know the pain as a comedian, they make your wife ex laugh. And there's something I want to quickly say. Benin boys, please, if you date any woman, when you know say she don't marry, stop discussing your sexual life with people where she's not married. Please stop it. It does not make sense. Yeah, it does not make sense. For real, man, if your babe don't marry, leave her. I'm not going to talk, that one not marry, Benin get people, they ask me, say, no, I go Kogi. So imagine that as a crack joke. So if I is up front, or say casino, very funny. I saw your wife sweet. I don't go agree. Or my wife else don't die for war. Baba! Do you know that as a man, we have one problem later. Weak erection. It will come. If you like drink soak away water. It will come with age. I know say the only thing where they make men unite. Now when fellow man here say 11 not they walk away, men go support who. You feel all day bus stop now, 2 men they talk. Say man, my level 2 seconds I don't come. Oh. And other people when it's not your concern. Not be doctor, not be anything. Say, my brother, really? You don't try cocoyam and alligator pepper? So I have solution for you guys. One of the reasons why most marriages they break up, but they won't say it, yeah, Now that problem. As a man, don't fall victim. Right? So, since you don't already know, say with age, your level know they walk well. Try marry one woman when we say, you still get one health challenge. When we say with age, you go the worst. For example, marry a woman when they use eyeglass, you get eye problem. As you they grow old, your prick they die, her eye they blind. Now who they see when I see prick when not stand?
You want to die?
No, sir. But that's the truth. I didn't lie, my brother. Me not if you go die, you. And come to think about it, I was in America July. You know? Poor people now will say, and so, yeah. July, you say, and so, but I was still in America July. And I found out that what goes around, they say, will always come around. In every action, there's equal and opposite reaction. I met some all those New York police, and I said, the way that they behave. So I couldn't try to compare. Why is our own different? And I found out that police for America, they are well equipped, good gadgets. They get infrared shock. Illiterate now don't feel understand again. They use and demobilize you. Yeah, they'll press it in, you fall, you can't move. They do everything. If you thief a phone, they use a helicopter, they track with thief telephone. Nigeria police, all the garuba, they don't need any equipment. They perceive a robber. Now they with the phone. All the garuba for zone 5. Bitch. And police in America, they are well fed. Our police, they are fed up. Now why did they misbehave? Now why did they vex? And why did they shoot? They are angry. Person never chop, you give a gun. He go rob you. This is a clarion call for all the politicians. Police and doctors should be well paid. Do you know there's a police officer that I've worked for 60 years. At the level of DPO, his pension gratuity is 10 million. Go and check. And Yahoo boy, we fail WAEC. They drive Benz of 100 million. You know what that means? If they drive 10 DPO. When they complain police, that's why police don't go do car sex, so police go kill you. You they sleep with 10 DPO. Doctors so now worse. Don't blame our doctors. They know they pay them. My doctor is here. I know he will not be here. He will be irregular. They know they pay them. They are under pressure. Not only Nigerian doctors, they call you by the name of your sickness. Oga diabetes, stay one place. Don't baby give you sugar. When my wife dey labor now, I can't go one other. You see labor. One woman, you're the shout. Hey, the nurse. Hey, not be me fuck you, born no. Born. Ha, they never pay me, oh. Not be life I dey live, oh. Me will not get picture, I not get sense. Not be you call here last year. Money not there, now go dey fuck. Nurse got the verse. So the pregnancy delay. So the woman when they cry, come they use one word. I don't die, yo. Now that he provoked the nurse. Madam, what are you here for? To die or to born? But that is the truth. Our people are suffering. Do you know because the environment is good in America? It's in America when I go, Donald Trump will regret why I give me visa. For the next 10 years, the American joke or the crack. Where do you people that say there? You America? You America? Oh, you know me America. Yeah, baby, me America. You know why the muffin in America? You've been there? Times Square, New York. Man. Police, they do their work for abroad. In abroad, you can't drink and drive. Yes. They have alcohol tester. Yeah. If they go perceive him. So when we go out, the guy when they drive, they drink water. Nigeria sweet. So they tell you, say, stop turning, you're driving. I'm drinking. Next week we go out. I drink, you drive. Oh, God bless Nigeria. Now who they drive, they drink pass. Now your guys gonna tell you, oh, sound drink, oh, you know, so that you they drive for main road for clear. Like they crazy. The only advantage of being in Nigeria, Honorable Gabros, God bless you, already took one. The only advantage of being in Nigeria is that you can piss anywhere. Do you know I was in Austria, a city called Graz. I never knew anything. My visa not go waste. The whole world go know. Now my mom say we should not the key. We should not the give visa. My village, the strongest babalawo, they deny. Now I come to tell me, oh, remember, where? Now I say, go repent. Sir, I was in Graz. This is almost true life story. So we be the play ball. So me, now summer. So I just want peace. If you see the way the guy will carry me, they beg me, man, no peace. Guy, peace for motor tire. Now I know why they don't get joy for abroad. There's no better joy as a man than to peace for motor tire. No, imagine after this kind of show, oh boy, you have and you know, say, that kind of peace, you always go with your friends. Friends that peace together, stick together. It's too sweet. And you know, say, at the level of pissing on the motor tire, now you they tell some deep secrets about your life, give your friend. Osaron, Osion. But nothing in this life, oh Baba. I'm not gonna lie, that the wrong woman I marry. You call it the other guy, Osion. I be no one talk. But now confession time. You they talk here. You see that my senior son, rookie. Not be me get him. But that's how life works. Abroad sweet. And when people go, they say, hey, no, be they get picking. Like it they shock me, say, Binima, they go do DNA test. You are spending 10 million. No, now. You don't know yourself. Carry aromatic snap, come my village for Orion. Give one babalawo 2K. They go tell you get picking. You go even wash out for mirror. Go say, hey, dog, ya be okay. If you not get that money to even spend, not worry. If you want to not be you get picking, go find your wife, best friend. Best friend. Early morning, your drive. You go, yes. Begin sort her. Useless woman! I've taught you. I don't want to see you and my wife. You are bad. You are a stupid woman. You are a bad influence to my wife. See our best friend. See this one, no. See this as well. Because I don't want to talk. Not be you get your senior son, no. Not be you get your senior son. Chako. Your DNA test will come out. Go home and kill him. But again, God has a way of always punishing people. I used to have an uncle, very dirty man. They womanize every time. Carry woman, carry woman, carry woman. Now he married. 4 years, no picking. The 5th year, I side chick get belle, born boy. Side chick go born, heir to the throne. The wife we married for us, go born gay. Whoa. 6 years later, the children call them misbehave. Now my uncle go do DNA test. Both the pikin when the wife born, oh. And the one when the side chick born, oh, no one be my uncle own. My uncle was defeated both home and away. My uncle must be an Arsenal fan. And meet her. I was happy because that you they clap for Arsenal down for. Oh, now. Oh. Honorable Charity, now you dey mock. Okay, that joke, now Liverpool get joke. This Honorable Charity, please a round of applause for him. Majority leader. He refused to decamp, they put her for minority. Now you sabi decamp before they carry you go primary school. APC strong. After God, now APC. As when they speak English, when you see Akoko, I don't vote. Hola! For the first time, as one speak English, I saw Baseki Bekona. Akoko Edo 8 billion. Akoko Edo big past Africa. Politics, now your mate. Me, one of my uncle go contest for DCC. He get 20 children. He get 4 votes. And then they go out and say, who voted against me? When they see people, where God goes to, sir, FX. You call them resemble Sazi oil. Somehow. You are happy now. You resemble who better. If I want you to make you feel bad, I'll say you resemble a go-go.
Governor, where they work for community. On another time, governor.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for playing this. I want to say this, so I'll be commended, but I know they really fear. I do SUG when I did Uniben. I'm for it. I think I have Uniben alumni persons here. They want to give me an award. I was not in the country. Please a round of applause for my Uniben Alumni Association, right? Thank you. If you attend Uniben, make some noise. I'll be like, you know, say that when Uniben admission frustrates you, now you know say how cheaply they teach practical. Go say, come out there and theory that they do that. I would say, the idiots don't write Uniben 3 times so. So I want to say this quickly. Politician, want to not misinterpret me or misunderstand me. If you see misunderstand me, I don't give a fuck. I'm a comedian. My jokes is for APC, PDP, Labour, ABGA, Peter Obi, every ADC. In 10 years, this is the most peaceful December I've ever witnessed in Benin. I repeat, in 10 years, this is the most peaceful December I've ever witnessed in Benin. I want to thank Edo people. Thank you very much. And again, for the first time, make I thank governor.
Governor, where they work for community. On another time, governor.
Yes. My brother, that guy, Rogedo, that house for Amagba. It's Kataram. Governor, scatter Curtis family house. Curtis carry case, go court. For the first time, Curtis say we leave case for God to judge.
How many times has it been rolling?
I had a sorry for people who contest against Tinubu. Azen. I fear politics. I fear politics. You know, say, Honorable Charity, that time we do Uniben, we do a luta. Not be by SUG. No, say I say by now, don't say governor. Not be SUG. We shout for school. Since now begin fear politics. This election has a way of making you feel humble. Will bring you down. You know, say if they remove politics, as when I don't like, as when you're one of the most intelligent people for the world, no be joke. I guess as I praise the people, now I praise as well. So, that is, you need to balance some PDP, they show, APC, they show. Bro! Election bad, we go home, I swear we get like 10 PhD. They need down. They beg Okoromi chairman when fail WAEC. I vote in my wala webu. Election. We are fear Edo State election. I remember during the days of SDP and NRC, Right? Jay-Z go the verse, say, crack your clip politics. When I don't know anything again. SDP, then Oyegu was their candidate. NROC now who? Lucky Gbinejo was their candidate. Now, it don't say where Edo people, they get dominance. Now we no one come together. Do you know at that time, the two national chairmen from those two parties, they were Edo. To make matter worse, from Esan. Now we don't know ourselves. And Nene and Tom Ikimi. Great guys. Two of them. They do election. You know say you go be no one win. No dey politics so now there you know say your mama not be your mama oh. Now this Benin they say Oyegu na from Abia. Say now Oyegu. Bro, the guy that they lose election oh. Now the guy rush go do post and I call the full meaning Oyegu media. It happened for this new one. Olomide Akpata. They say now Owo. Ovi Yoba will not go. When he was the NBA president, now Olumide Akpata. 3 weeks to one, we want to take from. What do we see? Olumide Osaibo for Akpata. Not one. Are they fit for politician? If Therese they go village at the pan, they say God. The way they call Therese like this kind of horse. So Therese they feed them every day. They feed for them. Me money not finished, but you know what? Givers never lack. Beggars never give. Life is hard though. As a man, as they born you after 7 days of cut your prick. When you see your blood. When you know so you not complain. That be war start. Man life hard. If man build house, now he be landlord, the wife now landlady. If the wife build, the wife landlady. The husband landlady husband. Who want give you automatic ticket? You dey Chris. See, do you know that as a man, we have so much lost our value? Yeah, oh God, you will fall down and I will take wrong decision. As a man, do you know the society do not even value your virginity? Yes. If a woman is getting married on her wedding day and she's a virgin, you know, say the news they go around, everybody they happy. Pastor will announce, I trained Sister Nkechi. I put her in the ways of the Lord. And I can tell you categorically without mincing words, she have never met a man. The mother, they proud. Mother-in-law, they proud. The husband, they proud. May man be virgin on wedding day. They're not the answer. If pastor one answer, go be like us. I say, there's a rumor flying around. That brother FS, though it's hard to believe, that he has not slept with any woman is a virgin. Now your mother-in-law go shout, oh, my daughter don't marry Mumu. And it's over. Hold on. It's okay. Sufferhead DJ is okay. Do you know that even in Nollywood, if Igwe they sick that time, just say me they go Ohan Zara Forest, go bring 5 female virgin. They cannot include male virgin. Our virginity is useless to the gods. Do you also know, as even a man, even your own parents, not care about your virginity? When my sisters get admission for Uniben, hey man, as you are going to school, don't sleep around. Your virginity is your integrity. Please keep it. You go. Hey, why at school? Lahore. Don't sleep around. Your virginity is your integrity test. Keep it. Now I can't get admission. I want to go. My papa say bad guy. Not join court to wait till do my own virginity, my parents. The life is hard for us. As a man, if you can control your sexual libido, you stand 50% chances of making it interest. Now my papa be this, so I no get another one. Now my papa be this, so we. Oh! Hold on. If you like, you play parents with the papa, 1 night I know they give you. In I mean, they play the select song. Sir, can you be my Tinubu? Let me be your Shei. This is 1 million. Wow. For another joke. Bros, make I call it tell you the joke for EA. No need. I don't even need crowd. 1 million down. Those days, when first the government asked, just give me 1 million, go see, give me 300. Well, it's where? Piccolo have taken your position. It's where? This one, they give me money and they call give this OG. Bro, do you know, as a man, body share the hot to, and the feet. Sebaya, woo! Samara, you do well. You do well. Samara Clothing, a round of applause for him. Bro, my show hot. My show hot, he hot. Popular comedian, die of heat.
I don't suffer what is small.
After wearing Samara clothes. Now, well, but when I see the thing for Instagram, my brother, now I go swam home. I want one for America. They say, which one be they say America to get visa easy. Yeah, Pupua. So Samara called down for me 500,000. I'm gonna clap for her. Yeah, I go put her now. You will not get money, hold on. You know what I don't like about poverty? You know, so you get where you're poor rich, you call the premier bad thing happen to rich people.
One man begin.
Bro, stop be lying. If you're I know the poor people, they always stay together. If you're the play draft, the caller say, Alpha, you know, you say, Tares just buy 2025 G-Wagon, 300 million. See, poor man. I beg you not to buy Benz. Bricks, see they work.
I don't suffer what is small. Almost say I get sense. Poverty no good at all. Now you make I join this business.
Hold on. Hold on for me, you where they do flat for airport. Come on there. Even who get airpiece not they form like you where they book. Hold my water for me. That is, you see the thing where not the empower ungrateful people. And he knows I'll be your younger brother, and I send a message, no give him. Let's cut him off from our family. You go cry. And you know what I hate about poverty? You don't see when they tell poor man say, rich man die. If you're the play draft. Alpha, their name can be Osa Konkon. You know, you say private jet crash. 20 big man die, see poor man. I am better for them. What did they find for hope? I know the one way pay me pass. When your poverty don't they turn you to a motivational speaker. You are gone. Get one man for where I poor die. If you want to buy food and confidence, you know they buy meat. Hello, madam, can I have fufu? What do you have for lunch? Can I have fufu and a bar, please? Mix it with a goosey okra, a little bit, a portion of tetrahouses of a cliss. Of course, which meat? Meat without. The way the man go talk without, you just say without dear past chicken. We can't catch the man, we call the man without, he can't change style. Give me fufu. What meat? I won't have time. Time is against me. When your poverty, don't they turn you to motivational speaker? No say go soon kill. Because they tell you say, you say, CEO, Millennium Heights, yours built 25-bedroom duplex. See poor man. Vanity. Upon vanity. All vanity. 25-bedroom duplex. Now one room he go still sleep. What? All right, ladies and gentlemen. I'll do this, I will go. Let me do one of my Uniben jokes. Remember those? They almost kill me for a custody now. People don't know. Do you know I'm almost a cultist? I am not.
Hello.
Oh, my cousin from South Africa, God bless you, my good. When I was in Johannesburg, I want to tell my wife now, so you give me a girl, but it's okay. South Africa gets gay. Jesus Christ. Honey, I'm sorry, I didn't, but Edo Pikin me tell me. Bro, South Africa gets, not for Nigeria, if they get doggy. Now here, South Africa, doggy, you reach neko. You know the smart bomb, but you the head. The year where per destiny. I want to talk casually. I can't remember my in-law. He married my sister. Whatever married. Why can James go talk that kind of rubbish? Say you married two wives, do bachelor safe. Don't insult my guests. Why? If you really do. You fuck up. Papa, you don't carry South Africa get away, get hip. God they give you doggy. Everywhere kung fu. God will bless you. The hotel can't get mirror. You can't turn, you can't see yourself. You can't watch your own blue film. You can't hear yourself. Oh, see, I'll be back, ladies and gentlemen.